My God, guys, I'm so happy. I think we found the right one. Fantastic. Look at this. Is everything customized? Even this one with the Albanian flag. Let's see what we can get now here. Love everything with Albanian flag in it. I don't know, really. I don't know what these are. Spesso d'ambosciora, fasole beans, new beans with meat, potato with meat. I don't know what to take, guys. Really. Okay, this are not so many dishes. I like it because I think they do a bit, but they do it good. So it's very important. Chicken fillets. Well, we need something traditional, right? Where is it? I saw some meat, I think. I don't know. Stuffed eggplants. This can be nice, I think. You remember we took it in Tirana? Amici miei, I hope you can hear me. Okay, it's connected. Let me get you actually a bit more down because you can't really see me probably. Or at least it's better if I put you like this. No, probably not. Wait. Yeah, so we ordered the fasole, like the bean soup, and the eggplant, stuffed eggplant. I think is really good here. The environment is really nice. Water, we need it. Do you think it's bad if we drink it from the bottle, guys? Or what do you think? I feel to drink from the bottle. Oh, and workout. 1,127 calories burnt. I went to wash my hands, guys, and I think the first dish is coming. Let's see if it fits for us. I think it's the fasole, the bean soup. Okay, let's prepare. Let's put the paper here. Let me do it. Good, guys, look at this. Look at this. The bean soup. Wow. And it brought the bread with olive oil, a bit roasted, grilled. Really nice because you eat these beans with bread inside. Okay, let's indulge, amici miei. Look at this soup. Huh? It's hot. It's pretty hot. So let's pay attention. I want to show you actually. Look at the bean soup. Whenever I do it, it never comes like this. I don't know how these people do it. I want the recipe, really. Only my mother makes it like this. Let's try it. My God, it smells so good. You know how much I miss this, guys? This is exactly what I miss. Exactly what I miss. I love it. Let's try. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. I'm in paradise, guys. You have no idea how good this is. The simplicity, but the goodness. Wow. And this is how you do it, you see? You put the bread inside. Actually, you leave it inside, but I will take it and you eat it. Wow. Love it. This is exactly what I missed. Wow, there are a lot of TripAdvisor certificates I will show you after later, guys. Shumet Mira, Shumet told him very nice. I think exactly like this, guys. I think we found a good place, and I'm so happy about it. We wandered around. Finally, we found it. Oh God, big bite here. Oh my God, I have to ask my mother how to do this. It's really good. I'm speechless, guys. There is not much to say because when things are good, you are speechless. I want to just to show you how tender these beans are. Look. And these are not the beans you buy from the supermarket, guys. These are like organic beans. I'm sure these are grown in the garden of like your grandmother or mother, of the elderly people, without pesticide or something. So it's really super organic. Can get more organic than this. I will indulge now. The table is moving a bit, but what's the name is? The stuffed eggplant we ordered. I forgot about it. I was in paradise with this. Let's finish. How about we move some things? We put this one here. Yeah. And the bread there is hidden. So we got more space. Super sad, guys, last bite. I'm thinking to order. I thought the mic was off. I'm thinking to order to bring home in the hotel these beans for tonight. Fantastic. Amazing. One down. Let's try the next. Okay, stuffed eggplants. Well, I expected the eggplants actually, but it's like open this one with cheese. Okay, interesting. Let's try. Okay, it has a very strong taste of meat. This one. Here the meat, like in all the Balkans, I think is very strong. The taste. Not bad. Okay. Yeah. Can feel a lot the meat. Ooh. I don't know if it's cow or sheep. I will ask. I think it's cow. With the bread, of course. Even the bread is good, yeah. Qa mish është kjo? Viç apo viçi, po? Faleminderit. In this dish, what gives taste is well, the meat, but also there is a lot of oil, and it's good. I'm not complaining. Look at the oil here. I'm not complaining because it gives taste, and I think it's olive oil, so it's pretty healthy. Just saying what gives taste. So if you like olive oil, take it, and if you like a strong taste of meat, this is for you. I told you I'm not a big fan when the meat tastes very strong. The taste of the meat is very strong. I forgot how is the taste of meat here, but I see now that it's getting, how can I say, softer, the taste of the meat, so pretty good. It's good in general, I love it. I just prefer the beans, bean soup. Ooh, pretty caloric this meat, this dish, because I told you it has a lot of oil, a lot of meat, actually. Wow. Finish, guys. Pretty full. I feel for sweet now, and I think we're gonna go somewhere else for sweet. I took a lot of paper. Yeah, as always, even at home I'm the same. I think we're gonna go somewhere else for sweet, like baklava or kadayif. Not in a restaurant, like in a patisserie or something. I'm asking Claude now, guys, if where is the best baklava? Wow, pasticcerie Licaj, I don't know how you pronounce it, on the Lungomare, so close to the promenade. 2,600 and more reviews, 4.9 stars. What? Wow. Institution since 2005. Is it far? Let's see. Should be pretty close, I think. Oh my god. It's a joke, this one. 34 minutes, guys. I think it's a good time to, but what time it close? Wait. Okay, closes at 11. I think we got time. We're gonna pay now. We're gonna digest this at least. 34 minutes walking. Well, I don't know if they have baklava. Call. Let me call it. I can put on speaker, guys. There are people here. My god, guys, please always double check what AI says, because this one find me. I asked for baklava in a like patisserie. He gave me a place in Tirana, like 300 kilometers away. Mario, just to be straight with you, this is in Tirana, not Vlore. So what you gave me? Oh man, what is this Somek? I remember this Somek was a chain actually. It was also in Tirana. Oh man, oh man. Oh boy, yes, they make it. Look at the photo here, guys. Look at this baklava. I don't know if you can see it. Oof. I think this one is good. Where is the directions? 9:30 closes? What? No, it's 43 minutes. We can never make it on time. I'm gonna call another one. Mirë, ma bëni baklava? Është deri çori jeni apo? Me ara keni? Mirë, faleminderit, do vi. 15 minuta, do vi. Guys, I think we found it. And it's 30 minutes walk, well, in the lungomare. Anyway, we're gonna go there. So yeah, that's it. We go there, I called, they said they have it. Let's go and try it. I asked for the bill, let's see how much it is. Alright guys, so it's 1,100 lek. This is around $12. I will leave the table is moving. I will leave down here the exact amount in US dollars. Pretty good, fantastic value. For what we ate, it was amazing. So now we're gonna pay in cash. How much I have here? Okay, 400, 900 here. Exactly the right amount, I think. And I will leave something for the gentleman there. Time to go, guys. The sweet is waiting for us. Let's go, guys. On to the next mission to find the sweet now. Vamos! Ah, lively. Love it. Finally, the nightlife in Valona, in Vlore, in Albania.